Evaporation inside removes heat through the day. Condensation outside makes it flow away. The cycle repeats, getting rid of the heat, so the food stays cool and good to eat. So cool, so cool. Yeah, that's how to make things cool. Refrigerator.
Hello? Miss Cafeteria Worker Lady? Are you there? Come in.
Oh, Bing, thank goodness you're back. If I don't get this taco meat refrigerated quickly, I'm gonna have to throw it all away. Did you find out how refrigerators work?
I sure did. Refrigerators work thanks to repeating cycles of evaporation and condensation.
Okay, Bing, I work in the culinary arts, not the science department, so I'm gonna need a slightly better explanation.
Well, evaporation is when a liquid turns into a gas. That process captures heat inside the refrigerator.
Okay.
And then condensation, which is when a gas turns into a liquid, releases the heat outside the refrigerator.
Okay, Bing, I'm so confused because I don't see any evaporation or condensation happening inside or outside this refrigerator.
Well, that's because it's all taking place inside the coils that hold the refrigerant.
Refrigerant? Hold on a second. Bing, you're a genius. I can see here that we're out of refrigerant.
Well then, looks like your problem solved.
Not only did you just save Taco Tuesday, which deserves a Medal of Honor in my book, but you might have just saved me from a mob of angry kids.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Those kids really like their tacos.